Hey everybody, we are at 35 Bentley Lane in Willingboro, New Jersey for a virtual showing. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, and Joe is going to take us through and tell us all about it.
Hello everyone, follow me. You walk into the entryway right here. Walk into a formal living room, which has been completely redone, remodeled. Kitchen's been remodeled as well, with newer appliances, new cabinets, granite countertops, nice tile floor. You walk off here to the left and you walk into the family room. Has newer floors, plenty of space for entertaining.
Recessed lights, lots of them.
Yes, a lot of recessed lighting throughout this house. First floor, you have a bathroom, full bathroom, remodeled. You also have 2 bedrooms downstairs.
This is the master?
No. It's just another full bedroom downstairs. Master's upstairs. You go upstairs. Another full bath. Off to the right here, we have the master bedroom. Then you have the 4th bedroom on the other side.
The backyard?
Yep. We get outstairs, we'll go outside to the backyard. Nice new paver patio, new roof. This home also has solar panels, which are leased. And that pretty much concludes the tour of the home.
Okay, thanks for watching. If there are any questions, we will have the description and the link to the house at the bottom of the video. Alright, thanks.